This is Alex. I am Alex Jung, plant guy, plant nerd, and I want to show you my plants. Okay? This is called a Plaphopletium. Now, Plaphopletiums are native to Borneo, Southeast Asia, Indonesia, South America. It depends on the species of Plaphopletium. Plaphopletium are a huge genus of subtropical orchids, and they tend to grow from a horn or growth by the roots. And I'll show you what that horn looks like. It's very, very small. If you can see that tiny little bump at the base, that will grow into a new rosette. And the new rosette will grow flowers. This one has two. This one big one that you see, and then a second smaller one. And they will grow, only those two flowers, then the whole stalk will die, and you cut the stalk, and then it reblooms from the base and the roots. If you take care of it, if it lives. And for the most part, Plaphopletiums are pretty easy to grow, especially if they have speckled leaves and they're given enough light, they're given air movement, they're given things like that. Okay? Now this is a Phalaenopterus. Phalaenopteruses are the common run-of-the-mill moth orchids. I have a bunch of them. I have some over here too. I have other ones, but this is my pride and joy. This is my Plaphopletium hybrid, complex hybrid burgundy. I have other ones too. I have an Indian rubber ficus. I have a spider plant. I have a grape ivy, which isn't really doing so well. I have some Santanavia hybrids, Santanavia starfish, and Santanavia something else. So when you think of ho ho ho, Merry Christmas Santa, Santanavia, yep. And okay. Sorry about that. I had to blow my nose. Okay, now this is called a rhododendron. This is rhododendron fern book from Borneo and Sumatra. And as you can see, it's got some horns on the top. There's a new vegetative growth. It's got 1, 2, some further down, 3, and then 1 there, 4. So it's got a lot of I'm doing some experimentation with music to see if music stimulates it to grow. It's a new internet thing that people are doing with their plants. As far as I know, it's safe. There's no stuff involved with it. Just play music and the plants respond. So kind of interesting, kind of weird. This is a Prince of Orange philodendron. This is some Phalaenopterus orchids. That is an anthurium, I believe pink dragon. I'm not sure the cultivar. And these are more Phalaenopterus. And then I also have a croton back here. I really would like to see this philodendron bloom. It's going to have orange trumpet-shaped flowers that look a little bit like angel's trumpet, but it's not toxic like angel's trumpet, I don't believe. So I think it'll grow and do really well, and I'm looking forward to doing really well. And I will post more infos on my rhododendron journey and my rhododendron happiness. So, these are all my plants that I've shown you. I'd like to get a few more, but I'm on a plant ban right now. I have to wait through that. Over and out.